Hey, what's going on, guys? Turtleplays back here with another voice tutorial, and today we are going to be doing Darth Vader again, version 2. I revamped it, I made it better, it sounds better. Without further ado, let's get right into it and start this thing. Alright, and let's get into it. So we're going to need a few things. You're going to need delay, robot fire, wah-wah, reverb, double pitch, high pass, and equalizer. And once you have all those selected, we'll go right on to the top there for with delay. You're going to need a mix of 8, a fade out of 47, time of 5. Next on to robotifier, you're going to need a mix of 9, modulator 1, 45, modulator 2, 52, volume 100. And down to wah-wah, you'll need a mix of 22, frequency 61, and type 3. And after that, we have reverb. You'll need a mix of 22 and a room size of 2. And next we have double pitch. You'll need a mix of 25, pitch 1, 70, humanizer off, mix 2, 19, pitch 2, 62, humanizer off. And next we have normal pitch. You'll need a mix of 79 and a pitch of 39, humanizer off as well. Second to last here we have high pass. You'll need a mix of 25 and a frequency of 80. And last we have equalizer. This one's a long one. You'll need a mix of 56, low frequency 41, gain low frequency 34, mid frequency 0, gain mid frequency 0, high frequency 91, and gain high frequency 81. That's all you're going to need for this voice. You can edit things slightly depending on your voice. If you have a higher pitched voice, you can up the pitch a bit, lower the pitch. If you have a lower pitched voice, you can up the pitch a bit. You can tweak everything once in a while. Anyways, I'll go on to the demonstration. And just before we get into the demonstration, you can also use your soundboard to download a Darth Vader breathing effect. It just adds the extra little bit of oomph to the voice. I have this one, and you just have it on play pause, and you put it on loop, then it'll just continue to play the sound, and it won't stop unless you forcibly stop it. Alright, now we can get on with the voice.
Asteroids do not concern me, Admiral. Be careful not to choke on your own aspirations. From my point of view, the Jedi are evil. I find your lack of faith disturbing. The Empire will show you the true nature of the Force. He is your master now. Obi-Wan has taught you well. It is your destiny. Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son. You don't know the power of the dark side. I must obey my master.
And that right there is my Darth Vader voice V2. If you liked it, feel free to drop a like down below. Once again, I will leave a voice download link in the description, but again, I had to get that watch time up. I'm joking, I don't really care that much, but yeah, there will be a voice down below. I have heard from some people that if you don't have VoiceMod Pro, you can download people's voices as long as they have a download link, so I will do that in the description below. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed it or you have any other suggestions you would like me to try in the future, it could be anything. It doesn't have to be voice, but leave that comment down in the description below. I will try to respond to all the comments, but eventually, once the video gets pretty old and people are still commenting, I try to still comment on them, but sometimes I forget completely. Don't hold it against me. And have a great afternoon, morning, or good night. Goodbye!